Welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have VZ102126. Now this is our Vicrez Widebody Demon Style kit. Now let's go ahead and get this open and show you everything inside. Now first off, you're gonna have your brackets, there should be 8 in total for each of the pieces. So you have 2 big brackets, 4 medium brackets, and then 2 small brackets. Then next, you'll have your hardware for installing everything, which is a set of screws. Then next, we have the fender flares themselves. For the medium-sized fender flares, you'll have 4 of these without holes in them, and then 4 with holes in them, like so. And these are finished with a gloss look. And of course, you can sand and paint them if you'd like. And then, last but not least, your 2 big fender flares. And your included install tape. Now, when installing these, you'll have your bracket, and you'll want to make sure the letters and the markings indicated on the bracket match up with the markers indicated with your fender flare. And if so, they should just snap onto each other. Fairly easy. Like so. And then whenever you install it onto the car, you'll go ahead and add 3M tape or whatever adhesive you'd like to install it on your car with. Now, if you want to see the install for VZ102126, go make sure to check out our YouTube video and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.